Hello everyone and welcome to the quick show with me, Mr. Bách, as your host. Today I would like to share with you something new and kind of gross that I did last week, and that is eating raw octopus. Last week I was hanging out with my students. We went to a place called HOTLINE. I leave the link in the description below, and it was me who came up with the idea of ordering raw octopuses. When I saw it, it was in the menu. They just wrote live octopus, and I was like, oh shit. To be honest, my students tried to stop me, but I convinced them. I can be very persuasive. I convinced them, and this is how it went.
Có nhiều bạn đã từ bỏ cuộc chơi rồi. Em thấy react coi nó như thế nào em?
Em rất là excited ăn nó chứ. Anh ơi, nhưng mà cái này là mình
Okay, my face. Okay, hey guys, I'm about to do something really stupid right now. Oh god! It's still moving! It's still moving, holy shit! It's still moving! Okay. Woo! Woo! Nó dính vô trong mồm. Gì không?
Có biết gì?
thầy ơi ghê quá.
Hình như nó vẫn đang bò xuống. Nó di chuyển nè, nó di chuyển nè. Ê bò hướng, ê giật bò. Nó giật bò xuống.
Gì xô rồi đó. Thầy Phú.
And that was really delicious. If you have a chance to go to HOTLINE, I recommend trying that dish. Like, for sure, for real, you should definitely try it. It may seem like scary at first, but trust me, it was unforgettable. And that was my new experience last week. What about you? Do you have anything new? Do you have any new experience that you'd like to share? Please leave a comment below and let me know. Thank you very much everyone for watching, and see you next week. Thanks for watching everyone. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified about my latest video.